Now in this section, I'm going to look at how to use table styles. Now we've got a table here which sort of does the job, but it's a little bit boring looking. So what I can do is I can click within this, click on where it says Table Tools at the top here, and you'll see here we've got table styles. So if I want to, I could click here or here. In fact, I don't even have to click, I just move over it and you can see the effect. So if I look at the first one here, it looks like that. Next one looks like that. Next one. Next one. As I move over, you can see the different styles being applied to the table. You know, something looks like that, like that, like that, like that. And if you click on the down arrow here, you see there's a lot more styles. You've got plain tables, grid tables, and you've got list tables. So let's say I want that one there, it would look like that. Let's go for another one, maybe that one there, look like that. So as you can see, immediately with minimal effort, you can get much more interesting looking tables. So let's try that one. Or you can try some of the ones down here. Let's try this one here, the red one. Maybe this one here. So as you can see, it highlights different tables for you, or different cells within the tables rather. If we go and look at some of the other options here, maybe you have a blue version or a purple one that looks like that. So as you can see, with minimal effort, suddenly your tables look a lot more interesting. So instead of just having plain tables, you know, use these styles to help you. You know, we can go back here, put it back the way it was. As I say, it does the job, a little bit boring looking. Simply by clicking here and clicking on, say, that one there, it's a lot more interesting.